What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, March 2nd. Um, Today, 60 to 70, really. Above 70, I'll be cautiously bullish. Below 60, I'm cautiously bearish. 65 is your overnight high. We have the 200 here at 49. We have the 100-day at 34. Overnight low was saved by Europe at 25. That's a decent level there. I've talked about that before. That's that 39.25. So I could see maybe another attempt here and then bring it back up. I would assume that the 200 is going to be a fight, and then you had a low at 47 here. So a lot of interesting levels that we see here. We get above 70, and then you have really that 70 to 75 level. Then you have the 90s, and then you get up into that 406, 410 level for ES. And then if, crazy, you get up to the zone of resistance now, which is the 2740. So we lose that 25. You have the 39, I think 11, and then 3900, and then my target would be 39 or that 3870 level. We can go over and look of where that stuff came. Here's your 38.33. So I would really watch that level for a downside if we were to return there. There's your 38.70 level, and 38.90. So we'll see if we get back down. Here's your 25 level. This is what I liked about this because it came down. We came down, but we kept most of that volume right into this level on that dip when it dipped down to try to tap that 3900. So we'll see if they continue to save that 25 level, but it looks like Europe came and did that for us. So we'll see. We are below 49 as of now. So this is, obviously bearish sentiment right now, but I don't know how today plays out. So here's, all the traffic. 200 purple is your 100, and then your trend line. So we've come up, we've passed everything, and now we're hitting here. So either we continue the low, or they just a quick reverse. Again, I don't know. We'll have to see how cash opens. 65 is the pivot. I like that. 87, okay. 40.13, not bad. I like the 06 better. And then 40.35, 39.17. That's a good one too. 38.91. So cash equivalent of SPX is in the support and resistance channel. We can take a macro look at the weekly when it loads. There she goes. So again, that macro 200 day is 37.12. We're well above that. And then that trend line did hold. So as of now, I don't see us up here anytime soon. I'm not saying that we return to this, but this is kind of the stature that I see on a macro look. Euro popped screaming high yesterday, and now we're back down. So that's, I'd look at that 56 level again. That's become kind of that 55, 105.5 level has become quite interesting. Here's your SPX. Okay, we pretty much closed right on the 100, below the 200. So we're just kind of hanging out. Here's that trend line as well. So you do have cash gaps up here, but at this juncture, I wouldn't worry about that 52 to 79. We did fill one or a couple the last few days, and then one down here, but again, that's 3,700. I wouldn't worry about that. So this is really what I'd be looking at, is that 100 and 200 day average as we toggle through to see if we lose those. Keep an eye on the euro to see if we lose that, if that continues down, or if that's just a reaction from that one, that ripper yesterday, because that really, we came down pretty hard and then had a small down day, and then we ripped. That was a substantial full point plus move, and now we're down 600. So anyway, stay safe. I'll be in the room all day. If you see profit, take it. Wait for your setup. This market's been kind of weird. The structure's been different, and we haven't really had any, solid follow through on anything. Anyway, I'll be around.